Hey there, young readers! Welcome to our super fun reading corner. Today, we're going to explore something magical in stories. It's called cause and effect. It's how authors show that one thing makes something else happen. Ready? Let's dive in. First, understanding cause and effect. Imagine you see a rainbow after it rains. Why does that happen? Because sunlight shines on the raindrops. This is a simple cause and effect. The rain and sunlight cause the rainbow effect. Second, signal words. Authors leave clues to help us spot cause and effect. Here are a few signal words: because, since, so, therefore, and as a result. Keep these words in mind when reading. The Great Lemonade Stand. Once upon a time, Mia wanted to buy a new bike, so she decided to have a lemonade stand. Because it was a hot summer day, many people stopped by to buy lemonade. As a result, Mia sold all her lemonade quickly and made enough money to buy her bike. Seeing her success, other kids in the neighborhood started their own lemonade stands too. Now, let's make sure we've got it. Here are some questions for you. Let's break it down. Why did Mia decide to set up a lemonade stand? Right, because she wanted a new bike. What caused lots of people to buy her lemonade? Exactly, the hot day. And what happened as a result of her selling so much lemonade? Yes, she bought her new bike, and her friends opened their own stands. Remember to look for those signal words, like because, so, and as a result, in your own stories. They'll help you find cause and effect easily. Awesome job, everyone! Understanding cause and effect in stories can make reading so much more fun. Next time, listen for those signal words and see if you can identify what causes events to happen in your favorite books. Thanks for watching, and keep up the amazing reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy reading. Bye for now.